The literature teacher was this woman who I'm sure you don't know anymore because she left the field. And my buddies, I mean, you know, there were a couple of us who were like a little older, you know, we were about 30 at the time. So I had two buddies, my friend Yoav, who was Israeli, and my friend Malka, who was from France. And they both had, I mean, Malka was significantly older. She participated and she was a child survivor in France, and then she had participated in the anti-Algerian War, in the 50s movement. So she was some kind of a leftist. She was amazing. And then my friend Yoav, whose father had been a very famous general in '67 and then became a peace person. But Yoav was studying the Bund in L.A. and he needed Yiddish. So the three of us bonded in the course. And one day, someone used the word das Yiddische Volk. Somebody says, she was an academic, she was a young woman studying David Bergelson, which is a very academic kind of, difficult academic, right? So there she's teaching, and her thing is David Bergelson, and somebody said, das Yiddische Volk, and she responds, das Yiddische Volk is nishtu. So I don't know who it was, either Yoav or Malka or me, pipes up, to wer zenen mir? And she responds, wir sind Studenten in Columbia Universität. Fuck you. That's, and we gave her such a hard time from that time on, and she couldn't, it was difficult for her. We just ridiculed her. Student, die jüdische Volk ist nishtu. Was? Alle gestorben? Alle? Alle? Wir reden Yiddish, du. So that was, these kinds of, the way, these kind of people with this hardcore, radical kind of thing coming up against, Yiddishkeit and trying to do something with it.